This dance is called The Morning After. It's a 16 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting with some heel struts. So you're going to step your right heel forward, then seamlessly lower the toe, so the foot does not leave the ground when you're doing these heel struts. You repeat that with the left. So you step that left heel forward and then just lower the toe down. So 2 heel struts. Then rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left, step that right back. Then you're going into some toe struts, travelling backwards. So a similar setup to the heel struts, starting with the toe. So you're going to step that left toe back and seamlessly lower the heel down. So again, the foot does not lift off the floor once you're doing that toe strut. Repeat that with the right foot. So you step that right toe back, lower the heel. Then add on a coaster step, left foot leading. So you step the left back, right beside the left, step the left forward. Now this dance has actually been choreographed with lots of and counts in it. So I've just gone through the equivalent of 8 counts, 8 beats of music. It's going to seem like a lot of steps for an absolute beginner. So I will actually go through the counts, what we call counts, so you can see where the and count steps fit in. So you just need to think of the ands as being half a beat of music. So rather than you having the 1, 2, 3, 4 count, you'll have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's almost like it's twice as fast as you think it is. So let's just do that set of steps once more. Heel struts off on the right. 7, 8. Heel strut, forward rock, back, back strut, coaster step. So I'll keep it in slow time for now. So we're going to add on a jazz box with a quarter turn in it. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left, make a quarter turn to the right as you step that right, that quarter turn, and at the same time turn your whole body. So you don't want to have any twists in your body. That will mean probably that your left heel will be lifted off the ground. That's absolutely fine. Then step that left beside the right. You're now going into some twists. Now twists are difficult on carpets, and hopefully you've got a slightly better floor surface than I have got to do these on. So your feet are going to effectively stay together. You're going to move both of your heels to the left, so your toes stay in place. Keep the weight on the heels as you move the toes to the left. Put the weight on the toes as you move the heels to the left, then clap. Now we're going to travel back the opposite direction. So keep the weight on the toes, your heels are going to go to the right. Keep the weight on the heels, your toes go to the right. Keep the weight on the toes, the heels go to the right, and then you clap. So that set of steps once more. Like I said, I'll keep it slow to start with. Jazz box off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, back, turn, close, twist in, heels to the left, toes, heels, clap to the right, heels, toes, heels, clap. So that actually ends the dance when you get to that point. So let's put it all together, nice and slow to start with, and then we'll look to speed it up. Heel strut off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, strut, forward, rock, back, back, strut, coaster, step. Cross, back, turn, close, heels, toes, heels, clap, heels, toes, heels, clap. the entire dance. Now I am going to go through it, like I said, with the counts, because you'll see effectively where there isn't an and count, you'll be taking a bit of a pause. So nice and slowly with the counts. Heel strut up on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So you can see where those little pauses are in the dance. And like I said, it is a bit faster than that. So let's see if we can speed it up. So we'll do the front wall again, we'll go a little bit faster, and then we're going to carry on going around the rest of the walls. So it is a 4-wall dance. We'll do the other 3 walls, and I'm going to continue to speed it up as we go around those walls as well. Here we go, heel struts off on the right. 7, 8, heel strut, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, cross, back, turn, close, heels, toes, heels, clap, heels, toes, heels, clap, heel strut, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, cross, back, turn, close, heel, toe, heel, clap, heel, toe, heel, clap, heel strut, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, cross, back, turn, close, heel, toe, heel, clap, heel, toe, heel, clap, heel strut, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, cross, back, turn, close, heel, toe, heel, clap, heel, toe, heel, clap. So hopefully you managed to follow that around all of those walls. So that is it. That is your dance, that is your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music.
It's the morning after the night before, and my head is sore, I'll never make it to the door. It's the morning after the night before, and I swear to God I'll never do this anymore.
5, 6, 7, 8. Heel strut, forward rock, back strut, coaster step, cross, back, turn, close, heel toe, heel clap, heel toe, heel clap, heel strut, forward rock, back strut, coaster step, cross, back, turn, close, heel toe, heel toe, heel strut, forward rock, back strut, coaster step, cross, back, turn, close, heel toe, heel strut, forward rock, back strut, coaster step, cross, back, turn, close, heel toe, heel strut, back strut, jazz, twist, heel strut, back strut, jazz, twists, heel struts, back struts, jazz, twists, heel struts, back struts, jazz,
Who's lying next to me?
twists.
She must have brought me right on home. It's the morning after the night before. My head is sore, I'll never make it to the door. It's the morning after the night before. I swear to God I'll never do this anymore. It's the morning after the night before. My head is sore, I'll never make it to the door. It's the morning after the night before. And I swear to God I'll never do this anymore.
managed that one.